Hi, my name is Layla and I work in product management, and I'm going to show you how to use the print release feature. This is a helpful security feature that allows you to queue a job to print later at the device, and you can also add a password to it. So first, open up the document you will be using. Then, in the top right corner, select the printer icon. Then select Properties, and then select Document Filing and the Hold Only button. Then we'll select OK. And then select Print, and now the document will be stored in the MFP. So now at the MFP, we'll select the File Retrieve app, and we'll select Main Folder. And here we'll find the file that we just released to the MFP. We'll select the file, and in the top right corner, select Choose Print Settings. Here, we can customize how we want to print it, and if not, select Start. And that is how you use the print release feature.